Look at that. Beautiful. Look how nice that looks. Amazing. Kung Pao chicken, Trader Joe's. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Another video, another lunch. Today's lunch, Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken. It's about 5-step process. Let's go get it. So they explain this as a savory dish of tender dark meat chicken and mixed vegetables in a spicy soy ginger sauce. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Let's go get it. Kung Pao chicken, Trader Joe's. We're going to stir fry the chicken 6 to 8 minutes. Chicken is looking really good. I'm actually quite impressed how good the chicken looks right now. Next step, we're going to add the vegetables and we're going to fry this for about, stir fry it for about 3 minutes. This smells delicious. Next step, we're going to add the sauce. Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken. And the final step. Here we go. Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken. This is what it looks like after about 15 minutes of kitchen work. It looks really good. It looks amazing. Give you a different angle. Spin the plate a little bit so you guys can see it. Doesn't matter how I spin it. It looks like delicious lunch. So I'm gonna go eat this. And you guys have yourselves a great day. I'm starving. I gotta get down to the bottom of this thing here. So thanks for stopping by. See you in the next video. All right, here we go. Trader Joe's Kung Pao chicken. Look how nice it looks. It looks delicious. This is the full bag. Feeds 2 people. 2 big portions. It looks delicious. It looks amazing. It's still really hot. Look at that, smoking. I can't describe how nice this looks. It's a very good meal. Great price too. Trader Joe's, always a good deal. I'm gonna go eat this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. C'est la vie, bye.